Everyone, today I will give you overview of encapsulation of C Sharp. What is that and why it's important and necessary things we can get with encapsulation C Sharp. Encapsulation C Sharp. In an object-oriented programming language, encapsulation is one of the key language features. Encapsulation is the procedure of encapsulating data and function into a single unit called class. Why do we need encapsulation? The need of encapsulation is to protect or prevent the code data from accidental corruption due to the silly little errors that we are all prone to make. In object-oriented programming, data is treated as a critical element in the program development, and data is packed closely to the functions that operate on it and protects it from accidental modification from outside function. Encapsulation provides a way to protect data from accidental corruption. Rather than defining the data in the form of public, we can declare those fields as private. The private data are manipulated indirectly by two hours. Let us see some example programs in C Sharp to demonstrate encapsulation by those two methods. The first method is using a pair of conventional assessors and mutator methods. Another one method is using a named property. Whatever be the method, our aim is to be use the data without any data damage or change. Encapsulation using properties. Properties are a new language feature introduced with C Sharp. Only a few languages support this property. Property C Sharp is in helps in protect a field in a class by reading and writing to it. The first method itself is good, but encapsulation can be accomplished much smoother with properties. From the above example, we see the uses of encapsulation by using properties. The property has two assessor get and set. The get assessor returns the value of the some property field. The set assessors set the value of the some property field with the content of value properties can be made read only. This is accomplished by having only a get assessor in the property implementation. In the above example, we see how to implement a read-only property. The class read department has a depart name property that only implements get assessors. It leaves out the set assessors. The particular class has a constructor which accepts a string parameter. The main method of the read depart main class creates a new object named D. The instantiation of the D object uses a constructor of the read department that takes a string parameter. Since the above program is read only, we cannot set the value to the field depart name, and we only read or get the value of the data from the field. Properties can be made also write only. This accomplished by having only a set access or in the property implementation. Conclusion of this video is the encapsulation is the first foot step towards the object oriented programming. These articles give you a little bit information about encapsulation using access or and method. We can make encapsulation. Another one method is using a name property. The benefit of properties is that the users of your objects are able to manipulate the internal data point using a single name item. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you have any queries, let me know below in comment box. and please like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.